Today's makeup tutorial is all about Miss Green M&M. Can't wait to show you guys this quick, cute Halloween look that you can do this year. Keep watching and get into this makeup tutorial. Hey! Let's get it. M&M. Hey everyone, Miss Kabumba here. Gotta wave to the camera real quick. Miss Kabumba here. Let's get into this makeup look. I'm starting off with, first of all, starting off with washing your face, putting that moisturizer and primer, okay? And afterwards, you're gonna fill in your eyebrows. I filled in my eyebrows using my 2B Manga Anime Palette by Rude Cosmetics. You can use my code Carolina for some dollars off. Hey! Alright, then as for foundation, I'm going to use a True Blend Matte in color D60 by CoverGirl. Why I love this foundation is because it blends very seamlessly on my skin, right? And it looks more matte. It looks matte after I add all the products that I need to be added in. And it very much just makes my skin tone match because I'm someone with a little bit of discoloration. And this color, honestly, looks really good on me. I've been a CoverGirl for years. A CoverGirl enthusiast, I should say. Now let's get into the M. First, you're going to need to trace it. When tracing it, you need to flip a photo of the M on M&M, like from your phone, look into the mirror, and then fill it in. Because while you're face painting letters on your body, always remember it's the opposite way when you look in a mirror. Because if you face it the right way looking in a mirror, someone looking at you is going to have an opposite M. So it has to be flipped. Use the White Cream Blend Stick by Maron. The M on my chest stands for Maron and M&M, okay? And melanin and magical and majestic and all good things that start with the little M. Now going in with my eyeshadow, I didn't know what I really want to do to make it really stick out. Aside from the M on my chest that says I'm an M&M, I decided to obviously draw little green M&Ms on my chest as well. And as for the eyes, I decided to play around a bit. Started off with some brown, then I went in with some bright green, and I am using the Spotlight palette by You Can Be. It eats. You Can Be don't play about their bright colors, for real. I use a bright green and I use a little bit of a dark green, and I'm just blending everything out. So it's a little smoky, you know? And right underneath my eyes, I use the goldish yellow color from the 2B Manga Anime Palette by Rude Cosmetics. Once again, use my code Carolina. Use my code Carolina. Use my code CARELNNA for some dollars off. Now I'm going in with concealer. Yes, I sped this part. I sped part of my makeup tutorial because I didn't want you guys watching, about an hour worth of makeup. I want y'all to have fun with it. I put concealer on. I'm going to let it sit, okay? Then I'm contouring. Contour. Real contouring once again with the Rude palettes. I love Rude Cosmetics, especially that Manga 2B Anime palette because I can do so many things with it. Contour on my nose, my cheekbones, jawline, yeah. And now we're gonna blend in the concealer because the thing with contour, you're gonna have some bright parts and a bit darker parts, and everything just looks seamlessly put together. It's so soothing watching everything come together. Wow, that eyes. She's really a makeup artist. Period. You can literally see me smiling and feeling myself. Super proud of this look because it was simple, yet so cute. And even doing the look, I matched with my friend. We did green and brown M&Ms. Alright, now we're going to go into the blush. Once again, we don't play about Rude Cosmetics. What I love about their eyeshadow palette, I don't just use it for eyeshadow. I use it as blush. I use it as contour. I even use it as a highlight sometimes. Period. I want it bright. I just want it to show. I usually don't do blush super bright, but With this cosplay, I just felt like it would be cute. I like to do a little more when it comes to my makeup looks when I cosplay and do a costume, because the costume, people can tell who you are by wearing the outfit, but playing around with your makeup just makes it more fun. Now we're going with the concealer. I'm using FS1 Studio by Ben Nye. Alright, I know we used concealer earlier, but what I didn't do is go around my smile lines. This doesn't work with everyone, but it definitely works for me. When I do that, and then I use my pressed setting powder, I use Pro Filter Nutmeg by Miss Fenty Beauty. Miss Ray Ray herself sent me this powder. That's how I like to think about it. That Rihanna knows me and she's sending me makeup to try on. She's like, oh, Carol likes this. Let me send her a little makeup. Yeah, I feel like you can really see my makeup looking airbrushed after I put it on my face. Period. Oh my gosh. It's all coming together, guys. We are almost done. This look was very much just how to spice up your M&M cosplay, or how to do a last minute Halloween costume. Now we're going in with some graphic liner. The graphic liner in question is actually face paint. I'm using the Athena face paint palette by You Can Be. You Can Be really slays when it comes to their eyeshadow and face paint palettes, because come on, look at the vibrancy. Wow. So I used their green and a little bit of their whites to do the eyes. Ooh, that was also the green that I used on my chest. See? That's the palette. Hey, we basically done here. Ooh la la. Oh, now I want to show you guys the lip gloss I used. Shout out to Fenty once again. Hot chocolate on my chocolate lips. Now to finish everything off, I'm using some baking powder, Original by RCMA. It may be white powder, but it doesn't look white in pictures, I promise you. It's to really set your makeup. It's really giving more of an airbrush look, which I adore. I'm such a matte makeup girly. Yeah, and I just blend that out. I didn't put a lot. I just put a little bit on my brush, and I'm spreading it along my face. That's why you can't really see white. And now for the mascara, because I didn't use any eyelashes, I'm just using black mascara by Essence. Essence girl, you be doing your thing. Make my lashes look curly, natural, cute, simple, feeling adorable, because I just finished my makeup. Hey, everybody say hey to Miss Green M&M, looking like a green body. Yes sir. Thank you once again for watching my videos, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads, because we're uploading what? Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So you can get 2 to 3 videos a week, I promise you. Mwah, much love.